fix this up. Got a beautiful Palm Springs day. A little cooler. Try to get after some of the preventative maintenance I can while it's cooler. Really, it's not bad. Here, what I grabbed was a big chunk of wire to be able to grab this up with a wire nut anchored on the end. Really use that pick this up. Oh, there's the screw hole right there. That's great. Now I just need a big enough. What I was going to try is this rivet here. I haven't found a really good solution for this yet, and so today I'm trying out the rivet gun to see if this is going to work good for this or not. So we've got 4 different sizes of rivets. Of course, half the fun is getting these out of the... I'm thinking the largest size is going to be the one to do this. Find out, right? Figured I'd bring you guys along for the journey. Alright, try that biggest size here that this kit comes with. Alright, so this one's a 3/16 by 1/4 inch. And so if you know how the rivets work, it squeezes this side out. First of all, you need to make sure it's not going to go through the hole. It's not, so that's good. And secondly, pull this up, insert it down in if it'll fit. This one's not fitting through the hole, so this size. So let's go with the 5/32. That's the 3/16. Again, this is a bit of an experiment, so just bringing you along for the ride. So this is the 5/32. That's good that way. I'm going to re-look at that larger size. See if I can move the hole over. I like how that sits through the top portion a little bit better. If I can get it to go through there, I'd rather do that. Okay, so this, I think that I can just push it over. Hold it up. And it's critical that it goes down and through the hole. There we go. I think I got it. The problem is if I was to squeeze this thing before it's there we go. Now it's through. And so for the rivet, we're just going to squeeze this. Alright. So this will pull the rivet head down through the hole. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh. We actually have to change the rivet head to the correct size here. So, just changing the front deal. For this one, we'll want the biggest hole size this came with. Okay, changing rivet heads. What we got is few different sizes. This is we're using the 3/16 inch, which is the largest size on the kit. And to change the heads, it comes with this little tool here. So I'm just going to squeeze the trigger down. Change the head. It's much easier with the trigger squeezed down as it pulls the little spring further away from the head. It's a nice little quarter turn past tight. The other tool back in for safekeeping. Just squeeze the deal a little bit. Now we'll put this one back in here for safekeeping. And there's a little tool that comes in the handle for this steel to turn it in. Quarter turn. There we go. Now we'll insert like that. Okay. Round two. First one takes a little getting going. Nothing wrong with that. It's critical that this thing gets pushed over. Through. Okay, here it goes. The rivet. Much to it, it's just a rivet. This will work much better for a long-term solution for these fan baffles. We got one stubborn one. There it is. It's all in. This little piece I'll trim off with a knife. Now it shouldn't hit our deal. Made sure it's not going to come off on us. And then I'll check the other ones and make sure that they are tight. And if they're not tight, then we'll go ahead and do the same process. Rivet it out. So our largest size, 3/16 inch, works good. This one's got bolts to it. That's good. That one, give it a little tighten. This one a little tighten. That's good. Alright. And I'll plug it back in and Make sure everything looks good. Trim that little piece off with my knife that was coming up from the baffle. The shroud got sliced a little bit. Okay, get all my stuff off here and it's situated. I'll be using the larger ones for that. And go ahead and plug it back in and make sure everything works good. Here we go. Yeah. No more fan baffle hidden, and no more fan baffle to come off on us. Done deal. Nice, beautiful punching stuff. Later that day, I made the same repair on another unit where the fan motor turned out to be bad, and I changed the fan motor. Here's the view of the backside of that rivet. Most likely I'll make a video on that fan motor change out soon. But here I wanted to show you that rivet backside and see what you think. A little right on the end there, but it did work. Pretty sure. So if you've watched some of my previous AC videos, you've probably seen that this is a common problem where these fan baffles come apart. Now the newer units, the fan baffle is built into like the newer Goodman condensers, and many of the other condenser manufacturers out there have now manufactured that baffle into the, or the shroud into the condenser unit, so that it's not a separate piece, because it being a separate piece, it can come off, fall into the fan blades, cause you a no cool call, mess up the fan blades, and all kinds of other troubles from those units. But if you're working on older units, this is a common occurrence. I've been searching and searching for a better solution for this problem. If you have any ideas, if you're an AC tech, or you just have some ideas of how to make this better, leave some ideas in the comments below. Other people will benefit from them. I'll benefit from them. This was one solution. I've showed you several other solutions in other videos for this. Check the comments below and share in the community to see if anyone else had any good ideas for a good solution for this problem. And there's quite a few other AC videos where in the background you can hear where they're working on an air conditioner, and then there's another air conditioner where the fan is clanking. A lot of times that's the sound you're hearing is a fan baffle that started to fall off into the fan blades. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below. Later that Friday.